Good morning, plus 2 class students. Today we will solve the next question of the chapter application of integral. The question is that the area of the region y the curve y square equal to 4x and the y axis and the line given y equal to 3 is. So area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x. This is the type of the parabola, right hand parabola. This is the type of a right handed parabola. So and the given line y equal to 3. First we will draw the diagram. Here y square equal to 4x means it is starting from this and passes from the origin, because y square equal to 4x, it passes through the origin. So this is the equation of the curve y square equal to 4x and y equal to 3. Here 0 origin and y equal to 3, 3 means 0 1 2 3. So this is the equation y equal to 3, equation of the line. So we have to find the area of this portion, area of this portion. So let us write the first given equation. The given equation of curve is y square equal to 4x and equation of line y equal to 3, and given that the area of the curve we have to find along the y axis. So y axis means we have to find the area along x dy. Y axis means x dy, y axis means x dy, and the given line y equal to 3 also, which is parallel to the x axis. So required area will be equal to integration of a to b x dy. And what are the limits? And here y equal to 3, this point y equal to 3, here x will be 0 and origin coordinates 0 0. So limits will be, because we have to find the area with respect to y. With respect to y means limit should be in y, limits should be in y, because given line y equal to 3, which is parallel to the x axis, and we have to find the area along x dy. So x dy means we have to integrate with respect to y and limit should be in y. So here starting from y 0 and this side from y 3, 0 to 3. And from the equation number 1, let us equation number 1, y square equal to 4x. Equation number 1 implies y square equal to 4x. We have to put the value of x from the given equation, so x will be equal to y square over 4. Therefore required area equal to integration of 0 to 3. What is the value of x? Y square over 4 dy. So taking 1 by 4 common from the inside, so integration 1 by 4 0 to 3, and y square dy. We have to integrate this y square with respect to y. We know that the formula of x raised to power n dx equal to x raised to power n plus 1 n plus 1. So same here means y raised to power square, it will be equal to by q over q and 0 to 3. Here 1 by 4, taking 1 by 3 common outside, so by q 0 to 3, putting the value first upper limit minus lower limit. Put by equal to 3, 3 raised to power 3 minus lower limit 0 raised to power 3. This will be equal to 1 by 12 and 27 minus 0, and this will be equal to 27 over 12. It cancel with the 3, 9 3 27 and 4 3 12. This will be equal to 9 by 4 square units. This is our required area from the given curve y square equal to 4x and the line y equal to 3 along the y axis. If we have given that in y axis in place here x axis, if we written here as x axis, we have to find the area along y dx. So y dx means limit should be in x. So this is our required area. Thank you.